Hey, what's up guys, this is LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. And yes, I know, I've disappeared again, because I've been busy with my other channel where I do acapellas. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be in the link in the description down below. And for today's video, we're going to be reacting to a Spingebill, or rather, it's a Sponge Binge. It's called a Spinge Binge, the sex joke event horizon. This is a re-upload originally by Jallerbo. This was requested to me by Mr. Dr. King R. Johnson Reviews, and I'm kind of scared to upload this because there were other reactors that reacted to this and they were grossed out. Anyways, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, apparently you're not. Nice knowing you, Captain.
Hey, Krusty Krab, your penis is showing.
Well.
I hate tanking.
I
have got to get my dick sucked.
No, you don't. Squidward, you don't. Really? Pole dancing?
Get back to work, Mr. Squidward.
What can I get for you, young lady?
I'm going to need you to bring me one penis.
Excellent choice, my darling.
Hello,
Look at him die! Mr. Krabs, I did it!
That's me, girl.
What? How'd you survive that bullet?
It's already been paid for. So, have you
Seriously?
known each other long? Hi, everyone.
My leg.
What is that thing, SpongeBob?
It looks like a
dildo.
Go touch it.
Thanks for stating the obvious. Don't touch it.
No, don't! That's mine! I think my neck is getting hard.
Then let's go!
How about
Ugh.
this one? I call it bold and brag. More like belongs in my eyes. Ah!
I wanted a award.
I don't give a flying fuck. You can do anything you want.
I got it. Let's fuck.
Yeah!
No, don't. They've been doing this for 18 hours.
Holy shit! You like this, don't you, Squidward?
Mr. Krabs gets to eat out his daughter. I wish I could suck Mr. Krabs cock just to know what it's like.
No, you don't.
I have to come.
Cum bucket, really?
Why haven't I worn this yet?
Why I see a pride the dildo? Put your shorts back on, dude.
Hey, the mail's here.
Let's go see Squidward.
I hope he's not too
It's still screaming, really?
We haven't improved
Oh.
Squidward's day yet.
This is the final bra.
Brah.
Suck my testicle. What? Would you rather tear out your penis and have the three-way, four-way sex?
Four-way.
Penis is just a suction cup away. Secretly,
Ah.
I'm a little bitch.
The inner machinations
Really?
of my mind
Since when?
is an enigma. Nobody!
Ah.
Naughty girl.
Am I a pretty girl?
No! Not even
No, we are, beautiful.
Fuck you!
And to think we the big fucking faggot club.
I've got my secret TV channel.
It's an emergency! Please put me down.
Ew.
Go, SpongeBob!
No.
Get back to work, Mr. Squidward. First day of summer?
Yeah.
What?
What is it about sauce?
that makes us so happy.
Unsupervised children. I guess that's what I like best. Are you
Coquette.
ready?
Look, Mr. Krabs, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Get fucked.
Please stop.
The only mistake I ever made was delicious.
I will not let you
Steak.
die.
SpongeBob, how could you let me die?
Stepping on me.
So what do you say, baby?
I'm gonna have some of your delicious
SpongeBob, are you ready? I most certainly am ready. Ready to get it on.
What? Pickle Rick? I'm Pickle Rick. Ew, SpongeBob.
Your time is up.
Who you calling Pinhead? I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
Oh,
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
okay.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
Okay. Oh,
I'm Dirty Dan.
what the? Ooh, turn Super Saiyan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
To be oh, come on. Really? I don't want this to be a two-parter. Oh. Okay, I have no word for what I just saw. I am really scared to upload this. I'll make a community guideline strike for this if I upload this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my reaction to this video. If you did, just hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. This is LightningDude42 signing off.